Hey everyone, what's up? This is Deepak, the TwoWheelsWanderer, and welcome back to my channel. So, can you see this? Can you see this smile? Oh yes, exams are over and finally I can ride. This this 1 week of break, it seemed like forever. I mean, I must say, I've waited for months to ride my bike, but this 1 week was, but all is well if it ends well, right? ऐसा ही कुछ है quote, huh? All that ends well is well or something, yeah, okay, whatever. So it's a Friday today, so I was not supposed to vlog today, but then I was just too excited because those sleepless Saturday afternoons, I had that today because I was trying to sleep off because I had studied late night yesterday. I did not get much sleep, but then I could not sleep this afternoon, and I had no plans today. But I had to vlog. I just had to, switch on this camera and say something. I mean, anything. But then there is something which मेरे दिमाग में है, and I'm thinking that I might be able to do it today. This vlog is going to be a bonus vlog because I'm definitely going to post another vlog Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to do something. So rest of the talking we'll do when I ride. Okay? Alright guys, I'm still going on the same road which takes me to Choral, and which also takes me to Jam Darwaza, and today's destination is somewhere in that region. So yeah, welcome to weekend 11. From this, okay, so यहाँ से रास्ता जाता है, ये जाता है वहाँ जाम दरवाज़ा को, and now where I'm going is kind of an isolated area. Not many people know about that. Deeper and deeper into the jungle. Well, अब तो वक्त ही बताएगा कि मैं सही रास्ते जा रहा हूँ कि नहीं. And there is some lake which is like beautiful. That's not Bercha, it's some other lake, and but it's beautiful. I don't know where am I going. Well, okay, up and down and up and down. Some gate, and okay, now again going down, and this is Mhow point, or this is or not. I think this is it. Okay. This is where I plan to come. So this place is called Mhow Point, and as you can see, this does have some potential of being a good picnic spot, but I believe this place belongs to some forest officials out here, but I don't see anybody. There are some buildings which do look like government buildings, like the one there, and even this one. And this has a nice little lawn out here. And okay, so it's got a good view all around. Nice, isn't it? Now this is not what I remember of this. It's slightly different out here. As you can see, It has again got a wonderful view out there, and this entire place is called Wanchu Point. And right now I think all these buildings, even this one, which kind of looks like a government building, and even those buildings there, which you can see, yeah, those buildings, even those buildings there look like government buildings. I'm gonna go inside. The wonderful lawn out there. Before that, I just want to click few good photographs of my bike. As you can see, it's standing right here and it looks quite beautiful. So this house has a wonderful lawn in front of it, so it looks like a proper bungalow, and it is not in a very bad shape. I think someone must be, maintaining it. It's probably a farmhouse or guest house, something, probably a forest department using this as a guest house. As you can see, there's the lawn, small benches, and then the railing with a view. Unlike other times or other places, this place will not have a sunset view. As you can see, the sun is right over there and right over there, and it's going to go down behind that feature. So I could sit here for the evening, provided I get the sunset, but which I'm not getting from here. So I'm gonna see if I can go, if this road takes me to that top. Time to do some more serious off-roading, and here we go. Whoa. So probably the reason why even this remote place is having this good roads is because of these forest officials which are here. They have a proper cantonment sort of thing. Well, there goes nothing. Okay, lots of bottles out here. Okay, so guys, I've come to this place. This is where that road takes. The road goes or more ahead to a water tank, and I'm speechless, guys. I don't think anybody knows about this place over here. It's amazing, this place. No wonder I see a lot of beer bottles around here. Yeah, I'm sure those guys who know about this place, must be exploring it to its maximum, because it's just the kind of place where you would like to come along with your friends and have some music around. And having fun is good. You should do it, but then breaking the bottles like this and making this place dangerous for other people is not something we should do. So another place done, guys. Wanchu Point off the list, and I must say it was worth it. And I think I should head back now. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today, tomorrow and day after. Let's see what I can do. I will be getting you something, and I hope I'll try to make it interesting one. So till then, this is Deepak, the TwoWheelsWanderer, signing off. Ride safe.